Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm at Castel del Monte in Italy, and this is a World UNESCO Heritage Site, and you can see the castle behind me, and it is amazing. Very cool. It's 8 sides, 8 towers, and they're all octagonal too. So it's an octagon surrounded by 8 little octagons, but very cool. So I'm excited. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Let's go see it. Ooh, bye. Wow. Certainly amazing. I'm trying to beat this tour a bit. I already bought my ticket. Tickets are $10. Wow. Amazing. I'm hoping, look at this tour here. Scusi. I already have my ticket. There.
Okay.
Thank you, grazie. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Very cool. Look at the marble up on that one too. Wow. I think there's going to be some climbing involved. That's all Braille. The ground floor, here we go. Can you guys read that? Hit pause as needed. I guess it goes, this way. Wow, and there are quite a few people here. You are here. And it looks like that's the end of this way. Oh, and that's what the floor used to be covered in. Let's go back here. Oh, here's the door. Upstairs. Pay attention, don't fall. Wow, okay. Okay, there's a few stairs. Oop. Thank you, grazie. Oh, you're good. Wow. And it says go this way. Wow. The 8 rooms on the first floor are also trapezoidal shaped but differ from those below. White marble with gray veins with capital decorating the rooms above. Okay. Hit pause as needed. look at the column. Oh, okay, so I'm about halfway up. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Look at the, is that a throne or just a chair or, huh? Oh, look at all the tile work. And it looks like, wow. Is that, oh, that's a fireplace. Oh, I see, okay. Huh. Very cool. And where are the stairs up again? Okay, right behind me. Let's go out and look at this window. Or door. Wow, very cool. And another fireplace. And the columns are cool. Huh. Very neat. I've never seen a castle like this before. That's the exit. Oh, look at this marble over here. So this one is cool. So you can see the veins in the marble. Look at this one over here. This one actually has orange marble in it. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty amazing, isn't it? And I bet it was pretty, back in its heyday, I bet it was pretty spectacular. Wow, wow. Can you imagine living here? I wonder what the view is up here. Oh. How you doing?
Hello.
Beautiful.
Yes, yes.
What a view. You can see something coming there. You can see the sea way over there, I think.
Grateful.
Amazing. Yeah, great, great. So the marble is really cool, these columns. Like this one has red on top. Huh. Very cool. Good morning. And this looks like it's up right here. And look at the little rooms. No, that's gotta be it. This is up. No. I wonder if there is an up. Maybe you can't get any higher than this. Let's go look out this window. Are there any people in the other windows? Oh, and you probably can't get to the roof. So that shows you how big this place is compared to those guys. Wow. And it's not 8 sides, not octagon, it's trapezoid. So 10 sides, right? 10 sides. Sorry about that. And it looks like it was probably surrounded by, you see the sculptures there and the horses and stuff, it looks like, maybe. So this was probably all decorated at one time. Wow. I wonder if this at one time was a floor as well. You know, it has these ridges here, you know, so maybe this was a floor. Huh. Oops, sorry about that. Wow. All right, everybody. Well, I think that's all there is, unless I'm missing something. Let me go check one more thing just to make sure I'm not, because this is, it says this way, but yeah, I think that's, unless there's stairs here or something. I don't think there was in this room, though. I get turned around. Is this, oh, this is where I came from. And this doesn't go up anymore, does it? Huh. Look how thick these walls are. That's probably 10 feet thick. Huh. So in the old days, you could walk all the way around the whole thing. The 8 rooms on the first floor are also trapezoidal. Yeah, you can't get up that way either. Okay, I think that's it, everybody. I think it goes to Uscita, exit. Okay, wow. Very, very cool. Huh. So this arm right here by the fire, you see how there's a, where is it there? Can I zoom in on it? This arm right here? I wonder if the fireplace was like metal at one point, or like a metal cylinder that came down. Huh, yeah, I don't know. And these doors, another thing that's interesting is it looks like maybe at one point this was the hinge on this side, so no. Maybe it was a pocket? No, it couldn't be a pocket door, could it? Yeah. Wow. And then it says this way. So I guess, no, this is, I just did this one, I'm sorry. This is all turned around. Sorry. Slow down, Eric. Deep breaths. Okay, I think that's it, everybody. Let's go down this way and see what else we get. This is the Euskita exit. There's a few stairs. And that's not English. Huh. All right. Oh, and it says this way, so maybe I need to go this way. Sorry, pardon me. Is this English? That's not English either. I'll get out of here. Go ahead. And look at the roof. That's pretty amazing too. Let's go this way. Oh, there's something else to read. Hang on a second. Castel del Monte. Castel del Monte, can you guys read that? I'll go slow here. Is of exceptional value on the universe scale for the perfection of its forms and the harmony fusion of cultural elements in the northern. Okay, UNESCO Commission 1996. I repeat. Pause as needed, everybody. Oops, try to keep you centered there. I just get distracted. Very cool. All right, everybody. Let's go this way. Well, very neat, everybody. Oh, and this is the exit. Okay. Amazing. Oh, that's a good picture up there. Huh. Can you imagine? Wow. All right, everybody, that's it for me. Thanks so much for coming along. What a great place. Perfect. Off to Madeira. Madeira? Madeira. Okay, never mind. Castel del Monte. Bye, everybody.